Hi, Liz here. Welcome to Texas Blizzard Part 2. I finished up the first video yesterday, planning to release it today, and that was going to be it until yesterday evening. We came up with a busted pipe at the house, and so Daniel and Crystal spent a good part of their evening locating a plumber, and he was due in last night. He said he was had another customer in this area, and he was going to try to get over here to us. Well, he was having a hard time on the roads, of course, so I don't know if he made it. As I was in bed watching a movie, boom, the electricity went out. I mean, in the entire neighborhood. It was as dark as you could imagine, pitch black. I realized, well, no electricity, no water, no coffee, no breakfast, no heat. It was like, okay, this is getting a little crazy. I decided I was going to have to make a campfire this morning just in order to have coffee. And I was thinking of the wood that I had and the kindling, and because I had the fire yesterday, and now it's raining. And our electricity came on. It's like, oh my gosh, thank you. And this may be just temporary. I've got breakfast going. I've got coffee brewing. The heat is on, warming up the place. And it is freezing out there. I haven't even checked the temperature. Texas Blizzard Part 2 coming up. All right, girls, I'll put some out here for you. Looks to be a little fogged up. Oh, it is something else. Oof, looks all wintry again. Look at that. It's all ice. I planted these 3 rosemary bushes, which don't really like the cold. When Daniel and I moved this fence over here, so I don't know if they'll make it. Looks pretty rough. Oh, pretty rough. Winslow, here we are with round 2. The big boy, Wilson. Wallace, the little prince. And then we have Wiley, who must be contained in a crate. He drives everyone a little crazy, don't you? Freezing rain out there. Yes, it is. Here we are. Frozen. Crazy.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I got your feet.
I want to see it. I know feet so fantastic.
What are you doing over here, kid?
Melting some ice.
Melting ice?
Mm-hmm.
You know, hope for the best. You know, it'll just be water when I get up. And I took a look outside. I said, no, it's frozen on the screen. This is an awful sign.
Another rolling blackout. One of my nephews and his family, they have been without electricity for, I think, 2 full days plus. So I don't know how they've done it, but This is just our second go round of it. I hear generators going, but unfortunately we don't have one. But look at the rosemary bush. Whew. Most of that is just ice.
No, Wallace. Here we go.
You'll need more green, huh? Okay. Let me get you some. Woo. Lordy be, girls. Lordy be. Well, we have no power, no water. So we just had our chili and it was great. Oh, it was awesome. Had a bag of Fritos, a bag of oyster crackers, and man, it was good. So now it's like just sit out here and wait for darkness. Can't do anything.